morning, everybody. It is 7:55. I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning to check the Bricksteaks website, because when I wake up I have to like check and see if Target went to 90% off, but it didn't, and I'm like, okay, maybe it'll change when the stores open. I don't know. I checked it again, nothing's changed, so I don't think it's gonna be 90% today. I think they're gonna keep it at 70 for a little bit, because nobody shopped there and nobody will really pay the 50% off prices, but more people would pay the 70% off prices. I know the candy was 30%, so I don't know if the candy has changed at all, but other than that, I really was looking forward to it, but I don't know what's gonna happen. No idea. And I don't think they're really in a hurry to mark it down, because they don't want to be bringing stuff out. I don't know what I know they put like summer stuff out there, so I don't know. They might just put like stock up stuff. I know sometimes after holidays they put like the big bulky stuff, so maybe that's it. I don't know. But yeah, so there's that. I don't know what we're gonna do now, since that we might still just venture out while Graham can go run in somewhere. I don't know. I just feel like I should be.
I want to Daddy watch us all day.
Yeah, he has to go to work. But I feel like I want to venture out somewhere today, maybe just to get food. I don't know. I just been reading the news that people are getting so sick and tired of being locked up. It's like, you know, as long as you keep your mask on, which I understand. And mostly the mask is just to have you stop touching your face. People are like, wash your hands when they stop. I've seen some people like, you know, stop touching your face. I'm at my own house. I can touch my face while I'm at my own house. I can understand, you know, being out in public, but my hands are clean because I wash dishes all the time. All the time, you know, I wash my hands after you go to the bathroom. My hands are clean, and all of my house is like, you know, just fine. Benjamin says hi. So
two double stairs. One is one stairs and not double stairs.
Yeah, so there is that. But I don't know. I've been craving food and I don't know what I want. I've been like, there's Noodles and Company. I've been really wanting macaroni and cheese. I'm like, I should just learn to make my own macaroni and cheese. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. We have an end table that we usually have like in front of our couch, and Ben keeps jumping on it, and it's just old. It's been there. We've had it since Graham and I, you know, lived in our condo. So we're gonna take that apart possibly this week, because we're just sick of it and it's gonna break on us. And then I want to post Ben's train table today. I want to get rid of that. And then I had a project that I worked on.
This is for you.
Okay, thank you. I had a project that I worked on last night with my Cricut machine, so I'm going to show you guys that in a second. It's in the kitchen. But yeah, I'm just going to keep picking up. Just going to keep picking up. You know what? There's some toys that I see and I'm like, should I just get rid of them? I'm like, he'll never even notice it. So we will see. But just gonna keep on trucking. I gotta clean the windows. My TV screen's dirty. My windows all have fingerprints on it, so I think I'm gonna do that today and have Benjamin help me, because he did a really good job helping me last time. I gotta change my decorations. My wreaths, my Easter decorations are all down except my wreath. But I did change my wreath outside to a spring one, and then there's another wreath that I want to work on, which I should work on today, because I just find it stuff relaxing. But yes, it is now 7:58. I'm gonna figure out what the kids can have for breakfast. I want to make something today. I made brownies last night, so we will see. But I will see you guys in a little bit.
Hi, Charlotte.
Have them talk to your sister.
No, wait, Charlotte. Oh.
Hi, baby. Hi. This is her favorite remote. She keeps pushing the button and changing the channel, so we had to take the batteries out. Yes. We're FaceTiming Grandma and Grandpa right now. Oh, hello, Miss Darlet. Okay, you guys, so the time is 2:29. Ben was just talking to Graham's parents, I don't know, like maybe 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. I filmed a couple of videos. I usually like to wear makeup when I film my videos, but I have been watching the Target clearance on Bricksteak like crazy, and now it looks like they're taking everything away. It's not even going to hit 90% off, and I really wish it hit 90, and I think if it did hit 90, they would have sold a whole lot more. But no, they're taking everything away, and it's like, I don't know. They had Starbucks cups in the Starbucks area. They had the Easter stuff, and they were also hidden clearance because there was nothing there. but they had it blocked off, but I was still gonna go grab them, but now they're not there anymore, so whatever. I'm not like heartbroken over it, you know, whatever, it happens. But I'm like, should I call them? I don't know. Just kind of sad. But just to give you guys a heads up, Target's not hitting 90. They're taking everything away at 70. So if you guys can still get some, go for it. But that's okay. I have a feeling Michael's will have some grab boxes. A lot of them. So we got that going on. But I'm going to get out of the house. We have 0 milk. 0. Usually we have 2 gallons at a time. But we have zilch 0. So we're going to go there. And then while I'm on about, I'm going to get the kids, or I'm going to get Ben a Happy Meal. So we're going to McDonald's just because I'm craving some French fries anyways. So gonna get the kids ready to go and get some like mid-lunch and stuff. So let's go to McDonald's. Okay, you guys, so we went to McDonald's and they took a long time, and I'm not complaining, not whatsoever, because they're pretty much, you know, low staff, and I got my food fresh. I got my French fries, you guys. If you guys don't have the McDonald's app, I should do a video on apps, because McDonald's has an app where you guys can get free food all the time, or you can get really good cheap deals. Like I can get a large thing of fries for $1, and they usually sell them, I think, for $3.29. So I can get a large fry for $1, or there's an option where if you guys are spending $10, you can get 2 off of 10. But if you're doing the $1 fry deal, that's cheaper, or it's a better deal. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. An app for food, because I absolutely do that deal all the time. But the fries were so fresh, I burned my hand. When she was handing me the bag, I burned my hand because they were just so fresh. I'm like, yes. Score. And then they gave us extra chicken nuggets, so pretty cool about that. I got Coke. I'm not a Coke.
I got orange soda, and they got me 2 chicken nuggets.
Yeah, they gave Ben 2 chicken nuggets. I got Coke. I don't drink Coke, but the only place I'll drink Coke is McDonald's. I don't know why. I like fountain Coke better than anything else. But I just needed that extra caffeine. So it's 3:14. We got 2 gallons of milk. I'm gonna call my mom, because I call my mom every single day. And I'm thinking, oh, I wish I got that stuff at Target. But you know what? That's okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. I just gotta get in my head. But I do need to go. I really want to go to the Dollar Tree. So I will see what I can do. Tomorrow I gotta drop Ben's. I gotta go to Ben's school because his teacher's giving us everything, and I'm working on a DIY for his teacher. I'm making a separate video for that for you guys, so you definitely want to check that out. But yeah, it's just like a little teacher gift that I actually started making. Hold on. When I go shopping, I don't bring my purse in with me anymore. I have like this little like business card holder. I actually put my credit card in here, and then whatever store I'm going into and my ID. I just do that because then I'm not like infecting my purse or anything else, because I'm not using that stuff. And so there is that. And then I forgot that I had a $5 bill in my purse. You guys want to see my purse? It's Sully! I love it. Loving it. But yeah, so I'll show you guys the teacher thing when I finish it. I just gotta get it cut with my vinyl machine. And then you guys don't know this, but I did the $5 challenge. I started at the beginning of the year. So anytime I have a $5 bill, or if I see Graham has a $5 bill in his wallet, I take it and I put it in my $5 jar. If you guys don't know what a $5 jar is, I posted this on Instagram, I think at the beginning of the year. But I did a $5 challenge where I'm saving all my $5 bills. So I think there's like 70 bucks in here. So anytime I sell something, if they give me a $5 bill, I put it right in there. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat my food while it's still warm, hot, whatever, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, so the time is, well, I don't have my, the time is 6:05. The sun is still bright. People are still eating in this house. But I finished my project, and you guys will see me post a video about this. But now after I finish this, I kind of wish I went with the black font. But I still think it's pretty good. I wanted to add something to the top corner. I don't know what to do. I think I should put like an apple or something on there. But we're going to see Ben's teacher tomorrow. So I might post this video early so you guys can let me know. But yeah, we're going to see her in the morning. So otherwise, that's pretty much it. He doesn't want his teacher, Miss Emily, to know that he wants to hang out with me and not her.
Hi.
Okay then, so yeah, my place is a mess again. Ben destroyed it. He's making like a fort with all the chairs, so we're gonna pick that up.
No.
Yes. So we're gonna do that, and if he does it, he gets some ice cream cones. So we're gonna ice cream cones if you help me put all the chairs away. So okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so the time is 8:12. I just got the kids out of the bath. We picked up a little bit. So like I said, tomorrow I have to go to Ben's school and get the rest of his stuff. Well, the first day of school, I got this from Target like last year or a year before that because I knew Ben was going to school. And I saved one for him and I have a different one for Charlotte. Well, I don't like using chalk on these because I heard that they just don't come off very well. So for Ben's first day of school, I had this all filled out and everything. And then I just had him draw, you know, a person and just all that stuff. Well, since technically his last day of school was March 13th, I'm going to make him, I made him a sign so he can hold it at school, and then I'll also do one on the front porch. But, you know, I just asked him some questions and filled it out, but I thought this was kind of cool to do. Just something I'm going to do with the kids as the years go on. He might think it's dumb later on, but I don't care. And then I always have him, I'm going to start having him draw a person, and that's his person. So he was pretty excited about that. He wrote his name twice. So that's what I did. Pretty excited, you know, to have that. You know, it's kind of sad that school's done with. I really wanted to go to his graduation party, but he'll see his teacher tomorrow, and he's pretty excited about that. But the kids are both up. Graham's coming home soon, so I'm like, whatever. The kids don't really have a bedtime for the right now until we get back on a decent schedule. But hard to say, hard to say. I didn't get a lot of stuff done, which is totally fine. You know, there's just days where I just don't want to do anything. But I did film some videos. I went through all of my videos. I have, you guys, I have 13 videos that I made in the past year that I have not posted. So if you guys see, like, you know, videos where there's people involved or there's some other things here and there, I could have filmed them a long time ago. I just posted a video today that I filmed in July. So I'm just looking through, like, and most of them's most of them's cooking videos. So I'm gonna just, you know, start going through stuff like that. I gotta edit them all and get them all prepared. So I got that figured out. I got something to eat today. You know, I felt pretty successful, and I really I'm liking this more and more. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to put something on here. One of my friends said put some books and an apple, so I might do something like that. I gotta glue some of this some more, but I think it turned out pretty cool. I could try to see if maybe I can put something right here. We will see, but I thought that'd be kind of just a cute little thing for his teacher. So you guys want to see this video, I'll probably post it tomorrow anyways. But other than that, kind of disappointed about Target. Over it, pretty much over it. And I just want something exciting in my life. I think Walgreens is turning 70 or 75% off on Thursday. I think. So we will see about that. Other than that, I'm tired. Oh, but I want to watch the rest of the McMillions thing. We got one episode left. It's actually really good. Like, I'm like, come on, I don't want to stop it, but I'm like, Graham, we have to go to bed. So if you guys haven't seen that, you can watch it either on HBO or Hulu is having those movies right now too. So, yeah. But other than that, Miss Charlotte's being a stinker. Ben's tooting up a storm. But, yeah, so I'll see you guys all tomorrow. You have a lovely day, and bye-bye.